In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get yourself a verified US account that you can link to your PayPal that you can use to create invoice and receive payments abroad without even linking to PayPal. You can use to send and receive money anywhere from the whole world, okay? So you can literally trust this particular platform. So all you have to do is just to use the link in the description to get some bonus attached while you open accounts with that particular link. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. Make sure you use the link in the description. So what I'm going to simply do here is just to click on create an account, okay? As you click on the link in the description, you are going to end up right here. So you want to click on create an account. So the first thing I'm going to do is to input my first name and my last name. This is currently available in Nigeria. You can see they said we can only accept identity documents from country on this list. We add more countries soon. So it's currently in Nigeria currently. So if you are watching from a country that is not Nigeria, so let me know in the comment section. I'll probably update you guys whenever Clever is available in your country. Okay, so then I'm going to input my email address right here. Okay, so then what I'm simply going to do is to input my number also. Then I'm going to input my password and come back. Okay, so this particular referral code, once you click on the link, it will actually automatically come with this particular referral code. However, in your case, if you do not see the referral code there, I'm going to leave the referral code in the description that you're going to easily use. So make sure you use the referral code. So you can also click on this, like if a friend told you, you find from, probably if you're watching this from YouTube right now, you got it from YouTube. Okay, so I don't want all these. I have read and agreed to the terms and condition. Receiving email about Clever, including products and promotion. Okay, I might want that. Then I'm just going to click on create account. User account created successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to do what is just to confirm my my Gmail email address. So I'm going to log in into my email address right away. So as you can see now, right now I have my email address right here telling me to verify my email. I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to click on verify your email. Okay, and as you can see, email address has been verified successfully. And I'm going to click on go to login, and I'm going to log in with the info that I've provided before. All right, and it's going to login. Login is successful. So I'm going to set my transaction pin also right here. Then once I'm done, I'm just going to click on submit. And as you can see, it is now submitted, right? The pin has been created. I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to load up this particular dashboard right here. Now we are on board right here. The next thing we're going to do that's very, very important is to do what? Your identity needs to be verified. Click here to complete KYC, right? I'm going to click here to complete KYC. Now listen very, very carefully. It said, let's verify your identity. Completing KYC is a required step to unlock access to our exciting features. Okay, the main thing we need from Clever is the US account that we're going to link to PayPal or maybe use to collect money abroad, right? Before we can get that, we need to complete our KYC verification, and it is very, very simple. 3 simple steps to complete KYC. Provide your personal information and also upload your ID, okay, and also upload your selfie of you holding your ID. I might not be able to show this process right here, but it's as simple as they are already outlined here. Okay, so you just have to provide your normal name that you've provided before, right? And also you upload your ID. Make sure that your ID that you'll be uploading tallies. Make sure it tallies with your personal information. With that, it will ensure that your KYC is, approved easily, right? So also you upload your selfie holding that your particular ID that you use. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to see you guys on the other side. So once you click on the get started, it's going to tell you to provide more information about yourself, right? It's as simple as this. So you're going to input the same thing I've inputted before. You're going to input it there and, fill in all of this fill in every single thing. Okay, let me fill this and I'm going to continue very soon. So I'm not filling up every single thing regarding this particular page. So I'm going to click on save and continue. Okay, as you can see, it says my BVN is verified successfully. I'm going to click on next. So the next thing is for me to upload either of these, either NIN or voter's card or driver's license or international passport. So anyone you have, you can go ahead and use it. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with this. So once you click on what's it called, to take the picture, so if you are using your system, it's going to tell you that let's get you verified, prepare a valid document, make sure it's not expired or physically damaged, use a smartphone. You can see you need a smartphone in order to continue. All you're going to do is just to scan this QR code, right? I'm going to scan this QR code with your smartphone, and it's going to tell you to snap your details, right? So it's as simple as that. So let me quickly get that done. So as you can see, as I'm done with the verification on my phone, so it's going to tell me that this is what it's going to show you. So I'm going to click on continue, and you can see it says KYC verification pending. Thank you for submitting information. We'll send you a notification within 1 to 2 days with the store verification. If you actually followed every single thing I did in this video, you won't have any problem creating your US account. So while we wait for my account to be verified, let me quickly introduce you guys to the sponsor of today's video, which is Multi-Login. Multi-Login is an anti-detect browser with 9 years of experience in the industry. In fact, with Multi-Login, you can create multiple accounts easily without having at the back of your mind that you will be banned very, very soon. With Multi-Login, you can have access to residential proxies, premium proxy network shipped with the browser with over 150 plus country with a 95% clean IP record, end-to-end issue resolution for multi-login proxy and anti-detect. So what does multi-login do? With multi-login, you can actually multiply your profiles, your social media profiles. Okay, for example, you have a Facebook account that you are using to run ads, and you want to scale your Facebook ads and have multiple profiles without getting banned by Facebook, or you want to monetize different social media platforms without getting banned by these platforms. Because what will actually make you get banned is because you are actually creating this account from just one IP address. So if you are able to clone all this IP address, you don't have to go and get a separate phone, you don't have to go and get a separate system, you just have to create a multi-login account, just one multi-login account, and you'll be able to create over 100 profiles. You'll be able to create over 100 profiles, which means you'll be able to create like 100 devices on your one system. This is very, very amazing. In fact, one of the best features that I love about multi-login is that you can easily even add your team member for them to work on each of your profile. For example, you are a big company that you are running, for example, a Facebook ad company. You can easily add each and individual team member to assign them to their work, assign them to a particular profile, create the profile for them, and without even having to create multiple different devices, you just on your own one device, you can manage multiple accounts without ever having the fear of being banned forever. To get started, use the link in the description and you'll be getting an open 30% discount off the normal price. Go ahead right now and click on the link for you to enjoy this amazing offer. Also, a very, very big thank you to Multi-Login for actually sponsoring this video. So I'm going to click on view dashboard. Okay, you can click on tab to open your US Clever account. As you can see, this is their rate. This is kind of high. Okay, $1 is equal to 1,700 NGN. So you can click on, let's tap on it to click on your account. You can see this is as simple as that. Account created successfully. Congratulations, your USD account has been created. Just in the tap of a button, we're able to create our USD account. So you're click on view accounts. Okay, I'm gonna click on view account. Introducing Clever tag for C2C transfer. Create your Clever tag to receive instant USD payment from Clever users. You can also send to other people's Clever tag. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Okay, so now we have the USD account and we have the Nigerian account is coming soon. So let us see the account. Okay, you see, it said the account details to receive USD. The minimum deposit you can receive is $1.5. Micro deposits. Amount less than 1 USD used for account confirmation can still be received. Okay, account confirmation can still be received. And the maximum daily deposit is $5,000. Amount above this require additional verification before they can be processed, right? So to manage risk large ACH deposits from PayPal, we need 5 business days to be processed. Okay, you can see our fees. So I won't be able to show that particular part. So if you scroll down, you will see your own details, right? I won't be able to show it to you guys. So if you scroll down, you will see every of your account details, every single thing. Guys, so this is how you can create a US account that you can link to your verified PayPal account. So If you want me guys to show you how you can link it to your PayPal account, just go ahead into the comment section and type in how to link PayPal to bank accounts. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.